Here we have a brand new 2022 Barletta 20-foot QC Cabrio. It's a two-tone, matte black and white. Go around the back here. It has a Mercury 115 horse, 4-stroke with command thrust. We'll go inside here. It does have the doggy dock view doors, so the dogs can see out the front and side door if you have a dog. Armrests, two-tone interior. Storage under the seats. These cup holders do move around, so you can take them out. You can put them between the seats if that's more convenient for you. There is cell phone chargers by the seats. Dual captain's chairs. 2 more lounge benches in the back. Also has doggy dishes. Doubles as the glove box if you don't have a dog. Lighted cup holders. Lowrance hook. Tilt steering. Rated for 8 passengers. This one does have an electric bimini. This just came in, so we have to get the canvas up on it yet, but it is electric. Comes with a full cover. There's also a table there. Pops up and the legs fold down and makes a table. Side gate. Rear gate. Ski tow bar. Real nice long 4-step stainless ladder. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.